Emergency. We've lost our right wheel. We'd like to proceed to Raleigh and make a landing at Raleigh.
Shady 02, roger, resume on navigation to Raleigh-Durham Airport. Shady 02, say home base of aircraft, persons on board, and fuel in time.
In the airport, we had 2 persons on board. We have enough fuel for the next, we have 2,000 pounds of fuel on board, and that'll last us for the next 4 hours.
Just want to verify, you said you lost the wheel. Was it trying to land at CK Airport?
The Raeford West drop zone, and affirmative.
Have some more clarification. Did you try landing over by Raeford West, or did it just fall off on its own while you were still in the air?
I got it. Fayetteville, we were attempting to land. We made contact with the ground, had a hard landing, and decided to go around. And at that point, we lost the wheel, Shady 02.
Quick question, how do you intend to land at Raleigh-Durham?
Flaps 100, get as slow as we can, and I guess we're going to put it on the belly.